Hey everybody, happy Friday. We have made it through another week and have the weekend to look forward to. So let's go ahead and get started for today. You are going to start working in Quill, just like we did last time. Remember that you need to complete at least one activity per day. If you click on the link, it will take you to the assignment page, which has those same instructions. The one thing I want to point out is that if you don't completely finish an assignment, it'll show up like this one here with the clock kind of in it, or I guess it's just a partially filled circle. But if that's the case, then I can't give you points because I don't know if you did 1 or you did 9 or you did all 10, but you closed out before it registered. Like, I just don't know. So make sure that when you are doing this, that you can visually see confirmation on your dashboard, your student page, that you have completed the assignments. And again, you don't have to submit anything for that because I will just go in and check on Quill. The next thing we're going to do is a journal. So go ahead and click on the journal. And then our question for today is, does every human life have the same worth? For example, does a criminal's life have the same worth as someone who has never committed a crime? Why or why not? Is an animal's life worth the same as a human? And explain. So as a reminder, you need to write at least 3 sentences to receive credit, and you need to use proper capitalization and punctuation. If you're missing any of those elements, then you will get a 0, and I will ask you to resubmit. So save yourself some time, save me some time, and just do it right the first time. It's very simple, but you'd be surprised how many people don't follow directions. All right, the last couple things for today, we're going to review for our quiz using quizzes. So if you just follow this link right here, it will take you to a quizzes, it will let you join, and you can honestly do this as many times as you want or as many times as you think is helpful. But it's just basically like a Kahoot, but you play it on your own, basically. So you can just hit start whenever, and then it'll pop up the questions and you're able to answer them. Once you answer them, like I'll just click on something, it'll tell you the correct answer if you get it wrong. And then it will also show other people's scores. So if other people are also playing, it will show you the scores of the people who have completed it, either as homework or in person. So once you feel good about the material that's going to be on the quiz, then you can go ahead and take the quiz. Now, you can, yes, use your text on the quiz. And I prefer that you use your text on the quiz because I want you to be going back to the text to find your answers, right? So you might read a question and think you know the answer. Go back and double check in the text to make sure that you have the right answer. This is a really valuable skill for when you get into taking like EOCs and ACT and things like that. So yes, please use the text on the quiz. When you click on the quiz, you'll see something similar to this. Yours will look a little different because you'll be in student view. Here's a PDF of the story, so you can use that, or you can use one that you've already downloaded. And it's 25 multiple choice questions. There are questions about vocab on there. There are questions about the plot diagram, about literary devices, and so on. Your access code for the quiz is GAME, with a capital G right there. Access code GAME. Okay, if you put a lowercase g, it's not going to work. If you have any issues with getting the quiz to work, please let me know. Shoot me an email, a Google chat, call into the Zoom, whatever. Get in touch with me so that I can help you. It should work, but this is the first time that we've really been giving quizzes distance, for virtual students. So just be sure to let me know if something is not working. When the in-person students finish today, they are going to have a chance. Sorry, my dog just talked to the computer. Hi, Doug. When the in-person students are finished today, they are going to start looking at the Most Dangerous Game creative writing assignment. So I will have that linked down here as well, and you can start to take a look at it. We will be working on that on Tuesday. That'll be pretty much the only thing we do on Tuesday. I mean, other than bell work and some other little things. but you'll have most of Tuesday to work on that. So you can kind of start to take a look at it and see what you might be interested in doing. I will have it linked. I'm sorry, I don't have it there right now, but you'll be able to take a look at that if you want to, but it is, again, not anything that is due. You don't have to worry about it. It's just something that the in-person kids will be able to do as they wait for others to finish their quiz. So Zoom Q&A time right here is the link, and I hope that you all have a wonderful and hopefully a little bit warmer weekend than it has been the last few days. Have a good one.